Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. For this video, I'm going to go ahead and put on a little music for you guys because I do a lot of talking at the end of the video. So I'm going to show you the layout that I'm creating now, but then I am also going to do a flip through of the entire insert. So hopefully you guys like it. Pretty simple. I'm gonna leave this layout as it is because I wanted to showcase the paper. And so this is the final look. It says at the end of the day, all that matters is love and memories. So make sure you give it and make sure you make them. And that is going to be the layout portion of this video. But I also wanted to do like the flip through because this is from January until now. I've been documenting basically the beginning of the year, and I find this to be, you guys, this is like actually working for me because it's like so quick. I am honestly reconsidering if I should do 12 by 12 albums. I mean, I still have a lot of pictures to do. I'm still gonna do them, but this way of documenting is working for me because I feel like I've been able to capture the entire year and it's not taking me forever to do it. So I'm like how do I say this without getting you guys confused or or myself confused? But I feel like I am maintaining current documentation by doing the inserts. So this is my complete insert for this year, and I should probably write 2019 here, or you know, January through March. And so I just wanted to do the flip through with you guys so you guys could see the final insert for me. Now remember, I'm working on my daughter's insert, and you guys have already seen that because I've already showed this one, but I am in the beginning stages of her second layout here. So I'm working on two at the same time, and I am able to stay current, which is amazing. So anyways, before I get sidetracked on the conversation, I started out actually with this first layout, but you guys know that I like to do something like for like the insert or the cover page on the inside. So I just decided to put a picture of Nick because I never document it. Not as often as I do Cholo, who's our dog. So my lazy day is every day. That's just his attitude. He's really laid back and lazy. Truth be told. So that's where I started, and this is paper that I did with the swap 12 by 12 paper swap with Susan, and so I just used some of the scraps to create this layout. You guys have already seen some of these you haven't. You guys know that although I do like to film on camera to share some of the layouts with you, there are a bunch of moments or times where I just come in and craft on my own. It's kind of like a de-stressor, or just like me in my zone by myself and my thoughts. And some of the layouts you haven't seen, but you're seeing them right now. So there you go. Of course you guys saw that. This one. This of us going to the movies to watch Dragon Ball. You saw some of these. Another piece of paper that, again, I did the swap with Susan. And then these are not done, you guys. I actually want to take the time to type up the characteristics of each zodiac sign, and I did decide to do this. I just need to go ahead and actually do it and just kind of type up the characteristics of the Scorpios so that it matches like what I think describes my daughter. I'm gonna do the same thing for my son, and then of course I had to do one for myself, my husband. So these are not completely done. The beginning of February, of course. You guys saw this one. This one is titled "Wow, Everything Looks So Different," because those were the first words that my daughter said when she got her glasses. And in here is like a little pocket. If I could, it's supposed to sit like this, but it kind of slides down because I cut the paper too short. But it just has an individual picture of her. This is actually us walking out of the clinic where she received her glasses. And then, of course, journaled on the back, just basically saying the same thing, how her comment, "Wow, everything looks so different," made us tear up. And we were all there together to share this moment with her. So that's this layout. And then the final layout is this one. And like I said before, I just wanted to showcase the paper because I think it's so gorgeous, so soft, and so pretty. And I just kind of wanted to keep it like an art page rather than like a scrapbook page or a layout. So that is going to be for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, watching the flip through and a few of the layouts that I've shared with you. The notebook didn't end up being bulky, but not super bulky like compared to last year's. Last year's my notebooks were like this thick, but super excited to be done with my first one and then moving on to the next. But like I said, just wanted to share some of these with you. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you guys on the next video. Have a good one. Bye.